What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to do something different. I am going to go out shooting around Tokyo, most likely just around the Odaiba area, but if I have enough time, I'm going to go up to Shibuya and Harajuku to knock out some night shots that I've been wanting to check out. Gonna take you around with me, just different than the last couple videos because I just want to go shoot and I just want to take you along with me. Let's go. It is a gorgeous day outside today. There was no way I could stay home. That was not gonna happen. So we are heading to the train station. But before I go, I have to go stop at Uniqlo because I already know the temperature is gonna drop today and I'm gonna have to stay warm. And I feel like I need another piece of winter gear. So I'm gonna take you with me really quick to go check out some gear, and then we're gonna hop on the train and roll out. All right, so we are at Uniqlo, and I am looking for something to keep me a little bit more warmer than this shirt. So let's check out, no, not there. Here we go. Look at that. You can't beat that price. No. Laid out just for me. Let's do this. Okay, now I'm ready. Let's go. Arrived at Odaiba station to check out the Rainbow Bridge here in Odaiba that connects the island to the rest of Tokyo. So let's go check this out. The Fuji television observation deck, which is like right behind me. So we don't have that much time because they close down at 6 p.m. So I have like about an hour and a half to get as many shots as possible. Let's go check this out. To the top of the observation deck, and we have the Rainbow Bridge right behind me. Let's go. Some really good shots out there of the Rainbow Bridge with the Tokyo Tower in the background. It was phenomenal. I was even able to get some really solid pictures of Mount Fuji with a beautiful sky. It was amazing. Can't wait for you to show you guys. So we are on the way to the second location to shoot from a very low angle of the Rainbow Bridge. It is so windy. It is crazy windy out today. Jeez. are done here in Odaiba. I think I got some pretty good shots. Let me know what you think. I am super hungry, and before I go get some real food, I need a snack. So we're gonna stop over to Lawson's and we're gonna grab some food and head out to Shibuya and knock out some shots over there. All right. If you're ever in Japan, Lawson's is a must. Absolute must. Alright, so there are two things you need to know about Lawson's, and that's these chicken nuggets and chew highs. If you ever get to Japan, you must have a chew high. So I'm gonna hold on to this for later. And also, another thing you need to know about Japan is that they have open container rules where you can drink on the go. It's amazing. God, I love Japan. Let's go. So this is for all my folks back in America. As I pull up closer, you see a logo that looks very familiar. That is Toys R Us, people. Toys R Us. They still have it here in Japan. They're not really bankrupt. Have you seen one of these at Toys R Us in America? I don't think so. I've never in my life have felt so betrayed. This is why I have trust issues. On our way to Shibuya now. It's about a good 10-minute walk to the train station, so I'm not gonna bore y'all with that. With that being said, I just want to show y'all a couple things on the way there though. Yeah, because there's always something to see in Japan. I noticed that. No matter where you are, there's always something to see. Like, I swear, like, I've never been to a country that everything everything is just so aesthetically pleasing. Like no matter what style it is, it could be modern, it could be traditional, it could be anything, I promise. And it's gonna look good, really pleasing to the eyes. I'm always amazed by everything that I see. And now that I have started taking up photography, I see it a whole lot more. I stopped and I actually look at these things and I'm like, what angle can I take this from? Where can I shoot this from? I just look at things a whole lot more differently now. Yeah. I love Japan. I really do. Change of plans. I completely forgot there was one more location I want to shoot at while I'm in Odaiba. So I'm just going to take you there and we're going to go ahead and get some shots in. Let's go. All right, yo. It's kind of dark, so it's kind of hard to see me right now. But we are at location number 2, and I gotta tell you, man, like, this is beautiful. I cannot wait to show you all what this looks like right now. Like, oh my God, this is amazing. They're like really good if you're taking them with like a phone or whatever, but for like long exposure, there's too much glare on these windows. You gotta try to find a spot where I can get high up. Not a lot of glare. I am back in Yokosuka because there are some places where you just have to pay in order to get a really good shot while you're in Shibuya that I really did not feel like paying for today. So with that being said, I am back on my side of town and I'm gonna grab some food over at this yakitori stand that I usually go to. Really good. Come check out the yakitori stand. It's right off of Blue Street. It's amazing. The food is delicious and it's only 80 yen per stick. So you really can't beat that if you don't really want a full meal, but you want to grab something to fill you up. And it tastes delicious. Ready to go. Like, you really can't beat that. So we're gonna go over there, we're gonna grab a couple sticks and close out for the day. All right, let's go. So there you have it. If you're ever in Yokosuka, you gotta get you some yakitori from the yakitori stand. 80 yen per stick. Delicious. I usually only get the chicken. I'm not really much of a pork fan, so. But to each its own. Some people love it, some people don't. I'm on the don't side, but either way, you're gonna enjoy it, I promise. So, now what do? We stop by the Konbini, which is a convenience store. And we gotta wash this down. What do you wash it down with, you say? Well, I'm thinking, you guessed it, Chuhai or Sapporo. I'm a real Sapporo-ish right now, so let's go stop by 7-Eleven and grab ourselves a drink. You absolutely could not go wrong with Sapporo. It's delicious. Yeah, I'm more of an IPA kind of guy, but when all else fails, this is the one. So now I'm gonna take you through the hunch. It's still early outside, so you're not gonna see too many people out here just yet. But at about 9-10 p.m., this place comes alive. And you see some of the most drunken people doing some of the most wildest of things. All right, so this is my stop. I hope y'all had a good time hanging out with me today, getting some really good shots. Hope y'all liked it. Until next time.